natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own drawstring ponytail. Alright, it's a very quick and simple process, just a quick way to show you guys how to switch up your looks. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see, keep on watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. Alright, first we're going to go through the things you will need. You're going to need a weaving cap, preferably the kind that is used for crochet wigs, the stretchy kind. You're going to need a crochet needle with a latch hook, drawstring lace, and a drawstring attachment. You can get these at the fabric store. Scissors, and also optional, some sewing thread and needle. The first thing I did was to take my weaving cap out the package, and I'm basically going to be sizing up my ponytail cap. Okay, so it's a full-size wig cap. We don't need all this mesh, so we're just going to tie off where we want it to stop, and usually just pick a width that will fit over your regular ponytail on your natural hair. So pretty much you're going to decide how small you want this to be. So I'm just cutting off the excess, and that's what I'm going to be using for my drawstring. The next thing I'm going to do is crochet the hair on. I'm using the Yaman braiding hair, and you guys know this texture because I use it a lot. I'm basically just going to be crocheting the hair all around the cap, and I'm concentrating the hair mainly on the middle because that's where you want the fullness to be. Once you put the ponytail on, you don't need any spaces around the middle of the cap. So, and you don't want to concentrate too much of the hair around the edges either, because that's where you're going to be putting your drawstring. So just put as much of the hair to the center as you can, and then you can just randomly place pieces around the cap, you know, wherever you want. Just like when you're making a wig, you don't want to concentrate all the hair at the back, or, you know, just make sure that in the center is nice and full. Keep in mind, guys, you can also attach any type of hair. If you're using a curly hair or something that's not as kinky, then you might need to use more hair. So I'm just going to be filling that up as much as I can, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I do next. Alright, so once I've added most of my hair, I'm going to push my drawstring through. So what I do is I feed the needle through the cap, in and out, in and out, in and out, until I've basically gone around all the cap. And then I'm going to put my drawstring, my lace, through the needle and pull it back through the cap. I hope this is making sense, because I had no idea that this part wasn't in frame, guys. It's kind of tricky when you're filming something and you can't really see. I don't have a viewfinder on my camera, so it's kind of hard, but you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. I just want the string to be fed through the cap so I can attach the stopper and so that the drawstring portion can be functional. I hope I'm making sense, but you guys can see a bit of what I'm doing. So that's just what I'm doing, and after I've finished doing that and I've attached my stopper and it works, I'm just going to add more hair around the drawstring attachment so that it is as discreet as possible. Now it's time for the installation of our ponytail. I'm gonna mist my edges with some water. Water always makes my hair able to hold product a lot better. Today I'm gonna be using the olive oil eco styler gel to slick down my edges. So I'm just gonna apply some of that all around the perimeter of my hair and brush it in for reinforcement. Now I'm just going to secure my ponytail up as high as I can. This part is totally up to you. I like when my ponytail is positioned at the top of my head, the very top. So then I'm just gonna kind of like wrap my hair around itself and create a top knot bun. Top knot buns are way tighter than donut buns, so that's why I did this kind. And I'm gonna secure that with some elastic bands. Then I'm gonna just mist my hair with some more water, particularly around the edges. I'm gonna be applying another product. This is the Morphos Ocean Ultra Hair Wax in the Extra Hold edition, and I'm just applying a little bit of that to my hair. My hair flies away a lot, guys, so I wanted it to be as sleek as possible, so I'm adding 3 edge products today, 3 of them. After brushing that up, I'm just securing the rest of my hair with some hairpins, because I tend to have like flyaways at the top because of the breakage that I've had. So this part is optional, you don't have to do this, but I find that it makes it look more neat. Then I'm gonna go in with the Gorilla Snot, alright, and I'm gonna be using this for my baby hairs. And this is gonna make them nice and sleek. I don't have any edge product that holds my baby hairs like this product right here. I'm just gonna tie that down so that it can set for a little bit. I'm gonna attach my ponytail while that sets. So I'm just gonna take the ponytail, this is she right here, and I'm going to open up my drawstring. So I'm just gonna flip it over just like you would like your wig. And you want to make sure that you're holding on to the drawstring when you put it on so that you can easily position it and close it as fast as possible. So after I put it on, I'm just going to pull the string as tight as I can, and I'm going to give it a little tie like a knot and wrap the excess around the rest of my hair, just like you would with any other drawstring ponytail. Just wrap the excess around your hair and just tuck it underneath so that it's hidden. I'm going to take a section of hair in the front and wrap it around the ponytail itself so that it hides the drawstring as best as possible. I don't know, I just think it gives it more of a really nice look when the hair is wrapped around the root, just like you would with like a braid, you know, put like one of the braids around it. Yeah, I like how that looks. It looks cute. I'm gonna fluff it and just kind of trim it a little bit because some of the hairs weren't even enough for me, so I'm just going to trim it as best I can. Now I'm just doing some further separating and just styling, fluffing to my desire. And once I'm done with that, my edges should be set. So I'm just going to remove my scarf and fix my face where the powder was rubbed off. But that's it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Just something to show versatility. With this, you can switch up your look like every day. It can be done with curly hair or kinky hair. It doesn't really matter. And it just really gives you the chance to look different. Like, I love it. The ponytail is nice and full. And all I did was I just added one of my bangles to the top because it matched my earrings. So I posted the picture on Instagram and somebody said I looked like Princess Jasmine. So that's the word of the day, guys, Jasmine. Put Jasmine down in the comment section if you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try this, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm at NaturallyMsToya on everything. The links will be down below. Thanks so much for watching. You already know I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.